I've been licensed a long time, got on in 19...
On my way to do a POTA. Feeling good. They don't like singing. We're getting there, boys and girls. POTA Pete. How about my Pete? And we're on our way. America, America, God made POTA for me. Na, 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 na. Oh man, where's my baby, my darling, my Debbie? Oh, my Debbie, I love you.
She's a little runaway.
Oh yeah, here we are, boys and girls. Here we are. Rudy, here we are. Charlie, they're talking to you. Happy POTA to you. Happy POTA, dear Charlie. Happy POTA. Well, to me, it's my day. And up and around the corner, boys and girls. Watch out, little creatures. Wireheads coming through. Don't want to hit you. Over hill and dale we go. And no need to use the turn signals out here, boys and girls. The road up ahead is locked. It is locked. And up and around, up and around. Sorry, mister, we won't cam you. Yeah, we're not a creepo. Home creepo. Home creepo is killing Lowe's, it seems. Well, what's happening with you, Lowe's? Like you a lot better. Here we are, boys and girls. Check it out. It's beautiful out here, man. I parked down here at the end of a little turnaround, right? This is the parking lot for this little tiny section of this rec area. And talk about a little runaway. Yeah, that's me, man. I run as far and fast as I can when I got POTA to do. Hey, Ting Ting, you ready to go? Let's go. Z-match is all set. Set the CW mode. Power down to 5 watts. Tune the Z-match. Well, it looks like 1.2 to 1. Haha. Switch to single sideband mode. Dang, hard to find a spot that's QRM free. You think you do, and you sit here for a second, and then you realize, well, it's 20 meters, you know. It'll be dead for 4 minutes, not a peep heard, and then all of a sudden the other guy keys up, and he's 40 dB over 9. From Oregon or Washington, you know. I'm going to park here just for a second, and if I hear no noise, I'm going to self-spot, and then I'm calling CQ. I was going to record the action, but I forgot my little tripod, my Panavice. I'll still try to do it for the first initial call, okay? Because usually that's where you get a good blast of chasers. So we'll see what we can do. Hang on. Check it out, man. Want a handful of POTA berries? Ho ho, you eat those, and you'll be puking so hard they'll have to drag you to the hospital. Man, came out here to take a leak before I start, and even in the glorious outdoors with a nice breeze, I farted, and it smelled so bad I almost got sick, man. I've got an alien in my ass. Anyway, whew, got that out of the way. Let's get this thing on the road. Let's get the show going, man. Let's light this candle. Alpha Charlie 3 Lima Zulu. Alpha Charlie 3 Lima Zulu. You there, Fred? This is November 8, November Kilo. Okay, I self-spotted 5 minutes ago, and I had to pee again. And I realized why. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Been a ham for decades, you know. I have worked lots of phone before. You know, I clown around a lot, but back in the 90s, I did all the time. So let's, maybe I'm grabbing my pen prematurely. Might be, you know, a taboo thing to do when you're about to... You know what? My heart's racing right now, man. I'm pointed north-south, and I expect little results because generally this thing only hit the west coast. If not much luck, in a few seconds, I'm going to turn facing east-west. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo, in Park K3313, over. See, nothing, pointed north-south. My SWR's a little high. Hang on. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ, 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 CQ POTA. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo, in Park K3313, over.
Whiskey 5, Delta Mike.
Bravo 6, Quebec Mike.
Bravo 5, November.
Oh man, I worked 20 contacts on 20, but I'm disturbed, man. Thank God I've got these, because a POTA out must clean his environment, even if it's not his mess. Look at this shit, man. Talk about disgusting. Oof. The deed's gotta be done, boys. I'm gonna grab a wipe and grab it. Check it out, boys and girls. Starting to get dark now. I worked 20 contacts on 20 meters. I've turned my truck facing east-west now. I don't think it matters too much on 40, but I don't know that to be fact. I tuned up on 40 meters. I self-spotted about 3 minutes ago. Now I can't keep recording once the pack attacks. But I forgot my tripod, or I'd try to do that. Let's see what happens. If I could grab my microphone. This is hard. People that do this and do it well are no joke, man. Excuse me. A little nervous here. But it's time to go. Blozo says, let's go. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, CQ, 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 calling CQ POTA from Park Kilo 3313. This is November 8, November Kilo. Over.
Whiskey 0, November Delta, Whiskey QRP.
Okay. I heard a QRP station. I'm recording this for YouTube, for my YouTube channel. I'm going to stop my camera, then take the QRP. Hold on. Check it out, guys. I went QSY to 40 meters, changed to my 40 meter ham stick, retuned, which took one little twiddle of the knob, and I had flat SWR. And I self-spotted. I waited 5 minutes, like I said I would do in the spot. And I went out and I had to pee again because I'm nervous. Every time I'm nervous. And I worked another 20 contacts on 40. So 20 on 20, 20 on 40. Plus, the best part, My phone's dying, the battery. Can you see the arrow? I worked a friend. That was the best part. If I do an outing and my friend is the only one I work, I consider that a glorious success. Oh, what a rush. The adrenaline rush is unreal. You guys have got to do a POTA outing. It doesn't take much. A piece of wire and you're on the air, man, if you know how to use it. 73.